How to enter a service menu on a 2018 Mercedes S-Class. It works in all the newer Mercedes. Turn the ignition. Position 1. The cluster must be at mileage, where it shows mileage. On the left of the steering wheel, you hit this button and this. Hold it, and then after you hold it for 5 seconds, click one more time in this one, just like this. So once again, this one first, the second, hold, 1, 2, 1 click, goes to service mode. You can scroll down, vehicle data, and this is how to replace the brake pads. You hit OK, and then with this you hit it again, and you can hear it moving, and you see the parking brake in yellow and parking brake in red flashing. It means it's in service mode to replace the brake pads. Once you're done replacing brake pads, you get inside, ignition, position 1, and then hit OK again, and this will go back in the position, and the lights will go away, and you can go back. And also you can reset the service. To enter this, you have to have ignition on all the way. Car must be off. It says service due. You hit OK. You can click any of the services and scroll down, confirm service. This depends on the oil change. It also, the grade of the oil depends to region and country. Hit confirm. If you have this error, you have to do it with the scanner. You have to grab the s63 scanner and enter this service mode and do it that way.